Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm doing a collective / shopping haul from the outlet stores or the outlet mall that I went to recently. This outlet is in Germany, so if you are in the United States or like not in Germany, this probably is not relevant information for you. But if you are in Germany and you're near this outlet mall or store, I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. And so yeah, with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you for stopping by. So starting off with Lululemon. Now we got there relatively late. I think that we got there maybe at like 6:30-ish, maybe even closer to 7, and the stores closed at 8. So I only had, I would say, an hour and a half max to shop and walk around, and it was very hard to get from like one side to the other side. I like walked to one end and then just walked to the other end and just stopped at every store that I thought might be interesting for me. And so Lululemon was high on my list, and I went in and it was a relatively small store. I think like one room and maybe like 3 or 4 fitting rooms. So I was shocked that they had 4 fitting rooms in this tiny store, but they had a really good selection and variety in store, even though it was so small. And their deal that they had, or the deals that they had going on in store, were that all sports bras and tank tops were 15 euros, which I would say roughly translates into $15. I think leggings and maybe sweatpants were 25 or 20 bucks. Jackets were 49, and I'm trying to think of what else. There was something else in there, but the most expensive thing that they had were jackets at $49. And so I picked up 2 tank tops, and I guess I'll show you guys those first. I was going to pick up every single Align top that they had, but I wanted to try on the colors first, and I did not have enough time. So I only bought 2 things that I know looked good on me, that I have a matching like bottom for. And yeah, I'm really sad that I didn't pick up the other stuff though, the other tank tops, or the other Align tanks I should say, because they're some of my favorite things to wear just like around the house and everything. So starting off with that, I got this Ebb to Street tank. I don't think you guys can see, but like I said, I might do a try on haul so you guys can see it on. It's a size 12, and the sizing, they did have a lot of stuff in my size, but it was always like a hit and a miss, so you had to search. And I don't mind sizing up a size or 2 or sizing down a size or 2, because generally speaking, there will be a time in my life when I can or will fit into these things. And so I'm not a stickler when it comes to sizing. I could have maybe sized down 1 more in this top, but I actually like that it has a little bit of breathing room or movement room, and I paid 15 bucks for this top. It's a light pink color. It's like ribbed, or I don't know how to explain it, caged sort of. I think you guys will see in the video. It also has a racer back, and in my opinion, it's very supportive for what it is. The next thing that I got is a little too big, but I don't care about that because I have the matching pants, and I thought this would be a very cute set. And it is the Align tank in this, I don't know what this is called. It's like their heritage camo, I think it's what it is. It's not the green camo, but the black camo that they have. I have the Align super high rise pants in this print, and so that's why I got it for 15 bucks. I was like, oh, I could have a really nice, cute set. This is what it looks like. And Align tank tops, you guys, I never understood. I say this every time when I talk about Lululemon. I never understood the hype about Align tank tops, Align pants, or anything that they offer. And I am in love now, and it's not an obsession, but it's slowly like moving into obsession territory. The next thing that I got were these Lululemon Align high-rise pant. I think the 28 inch inseam, and I got them in camo. Like I said, I have the black super high-rise version of these pants, but in the black camo, and I love them. And so I don't have a pair of green camo pants, regardless if these are for working out, going places, wearing them out and about. I really don't care, but I love the Align pants, you guys. These were $69. They weren't that much of a discount because sometimes Align pants do go down relatively low. They did have some that were, I think, 25 bucks in store, but they were colors that I did not like or I did not want. The next item that I got technically wasn't on sale, but the lady did give me a little discount. I think she had to meet like her sales quota and she was just trying to get like people to buy stuff, and I wasn't going to buy it full price. I told her that like straight up because she's like, oh, well, why aren't you gonna get it? And I'm like, because I don't want to pay full price for it, and I have a lot of these already. And she's like, well, if I give you a discount, will you buy it? I'm like, yeah, girl. And she's like, okay. And so with that being said, I got the hooded Define jacket in Nulu. I'm pretty sure this is like the gray one that I have. I also have a beige one, and I also have, what other colors do I have? I have a few other colors of these jackets, you guys. Some have hoods, some don't, and some are also, I think it's called the Luon material, which might be a little bit thicker. I don't know the names, y'all. I'm trying my best, but I don't know them. And I believe this is 128 euros, so $128, and I got it for maybe 100 and some change. Really like it. Gonna wear it all the time. It is a size 12. I'm in between a 10 and a 12 when it comes to Lululemon's Define jackets, and I prefer the hooded ones actually as a 10 and the non-hooded ones as a 12, but they only had this in the 12, but I was fine because I got it a little bit cheaper. So moving on to Longchamp, you guys, I did not go into the store expecting to buy anything, but when I saw the prices and the color combinations, I was like, okay, well, take my money. They're lucky I didn't have more time and that I was on a time crunch because they had clothing that I really liked. They had a leather, like medium-sized Le Pliage. I don't think it's called a Le Pliage. It might be called a Le Pliage bag. The all leather one in pink for like 200 something bucks. They had belts, they had shoes, they had, I'm trying to think, everything there in the store. And I was like, I wish I came here earlier. So yeah, I'm showing you the 4 items that I did purchase, and I'm really happy with everything that I got. So the packaging, they packaged up 2 items that I got, and they did not package the bags, which I'm totally fine with, especially with the price point that I paid. And it also came in this plain brown bag, which I'm also not mad at because I'm paying a discounted price for the bags. You guys, when I go into the normal Longchamp store, that's not an outlet, I expect to have a little bit, how do you say, nicer bags or treatment because I'm paying a higher price point. But here I'm not. And so with that being said, this is the first item that I got, and it is the Longchamp passport holder in a light pink. It probably looks white in camera. Light pink leather. I believe this is 85 bucks in the United States, and I believe I paid 20 bucks for this. And I think if you saw my unboxing, wait, hold on. If you saw my unboxing, you saw that I purchased the Longchamp long folded wallet and also the card holder, and I just thought, you know, I mean, this is a different color, but I really like this leather that they have. I like this pebbled leather, and the colors, you know, are very pretty, girly, pinky, purpley, and so I thought to myself, might as well add this to the collection. I already have my passport inside and everything, and so yeah, for 20 bucks, I really couldn't put it away. I think this was also the last one that they had, and yeah, I'm like, just put it in the bag, throw it in the bag. The next thing that I got was the most expensive thing on this trip, and it is a pair of sunglasses. I do wish that the sunglasses came with an actual case, or at least like the bare minimum of a bag, or how do you say, like one of those cloth bags that you get. It didn't, but I'm also fine with that because these were, I think, 50% off. And so this, or these are the Longchamp, I don't know the actual name for them, you guys. I think they're the Octagonal circle sunglasses, and they look like this. They have a rose-ish tinted ombre, how do you say, is it lens or frame? No, lens. And then on the side here, it's white. I think it does say Longchamp right here, but this is what they look like. They're very like hippie-esque, I would say, to me, but I don't have anything like this. And I saw a pair, I think from Chloe, that are very similar to this. Of course, the Chloe ones are a lot nicer. The Chloe ones are also probably 4 times what I paid for these. And I was like, these are an awesome alternative. And so, yeah, that's what they look like. I really like them. I think they were $70. I know that I can link them down below for you guys. I found them at Saks. If you want to check them out, you're more than welcome to. And I'm just happy to add these to my collection, but I'm putting this back now. And so yeah, like I said, most expensive thing that I got from Longchamp. The next items that I got were 2 bags. Did I need these bags? No. Did I want these bags? Yes. I was thinking to myself that maybe if I don't use them, because I know that one is probably overkill, if I don't use it, I'll probably give it to someone. But oh, I'm so excited. The first one that I got, and I'll have to find the person who influenced me to get this. I think it was like Hello Catwalk or Hello City Walk. I don't know. She did a review on this bag and I looked for it. It was sold out, discontinued. And I went to the store and I saw this and I was like, I want it. I need it. And it is the Longchamp Le Pliage Club bag, I believe. I think the light here is really throwing it off. I would try to insert pictures or videos of it in natural lighting. And the club version is where the jockey logo and some of the like contrasting stitches or leather and also the button is a different color. Like everything is monochrome, the same, but there are some elements that are a contrasting color. And so everything is pink except for a few minor details, and also the logo, like zipper here, is silver. But other than that, it's like pink and white and that's it. I love it. I think it was 50 or less than $50, and I don't know. I really don't think I need to justify that. If you're on this channel and you know me and you like Longchamp as well, then you know that that's a really good deal. I wish they had this in a larger size. I don't even know if Longchamp made this bag or produced this bag as a larger size. They did have it though with shorter handles and maybe smaller. I don't like that. I like longer straps, a longer opening for my arm. It just gives me a little bit more flexibility with the bag. But if they would have had this in the larger size, I would have gotten that as well. And the next bag was just also a bag that I got because of the sale. It is the Longchamp Le Pliage original bag, just like the original version, and the medium size with long hand straps or long shoulder straps. And I thought this was technically the large size. The lady also told me it was a large size, and that's why I purchased it. I didn't think to open it because she was like, oh yeah, it's bigger than the other one that you have, because that's like explicitly what I asked her, like, oh, is it larger than that one? And she said yes. And so I bought it thinking that it was going to be larger, and then when I got home and opened it, they're the exact same size. There might be like maybe a millimeter difference or something. I'm not mad because I've been wanting this bag for months. I've been looking for it online, but it's always been, I think, like 100 or 110, something around there here in Germany. And I just didn't want to pay that much money for the bag. And so now that I found it on sale for, I think it was 50, 52, 48, somewhere around there, I was like, it doesn't hurt to have it. And like I said, if I don't use this and I don't like this bag, I will give it to someone or gift it to someone. But I think I will use it because I do use these bags all the time for everything. And even if I don't use them, I bring them along with me, especially on trips, just to have, just in case, because they're just so easy and you never know when you might need another bag. And so yeah, putting that over there, I think that was everything that I got at the outlet stores. Like I said, there were a few other stores that I went to, but I don't think you guys want to see the socks that I purchased or the tights that I purchased. Did I buy 2 pink bags? Yes. Am I crazy? Yes, but I'm in love with them and that's all that matters. So other than that, thank you so much for watching, you guys. You can let me know what your favorite item was that I showed, but I'm going now. Love y'all. Have a wonderful day and bye.